Hi everybody, Jeff Simon for SocialFlight at Sun and Fun 2024, and a Sun and Fun would not be complete without a visit to Titan Aircraft, checking out these amazing aircraft. We have Sugar over here, that's the T-51B model, and also Misbehavin', that's Lonnie Blackburn's aircraft, and that is wonderful, the same one that we're building right now, and that's the T-51D model. And so we'll give you a walk around, and I'll come take the camera, show you a little bit about this. Behind me, we've got the STOL competition starting, and so Paradise City is just filled with fun tonight at Sun and Fun 2024. Let's take a little walk around. This aircraft is just beautiful. I love Lonnie's aircraft. I love the paint scheme also. And it's got this flat olive drab green. It just looks so gorgeous with the yellow. And it's a beautifully built aircraft. Really wonderful. And of course, as we said earlier, Misbehavin'. Misbehavin' is powered by a Honda engine in this one. Really fantastic. And can you really beat that look? If you're going to build an airplane, how do you build anything other than something that looks so cool as this? So now let's go over and take a look at Sugar. Sugar is John Williams' personal aircraft, the B model, and John is the owner of Titan Aircraft. Now this is a true V12 engine inside. This is powered by a BMW V12. Really amazing, gorgeous aircraft. The B model, of course, has a totally different canopy. It's a fastback, and so it's set up so that if the canopy's forward, then you can put someone in the back seat. It opens up. It actually folds open from the back. Let's take a look in here. One of the things I like so much about this, and I'll show you a little bit more on the other side, is that John has reproduced the actual gear and trim controls that are exactly the way that it was in the actual Mustang. I'll go around the other side. You can see here there's a 13-gallon fuselage tank. We're building that into our aircraft as well. But this paint scheme is just gorgeous. John tells me that he took the paint scheme from a British Sea Fury. That's where he was inspired for that. And there's a good look in here of that quadrant. That is a copy of exactly how all the trim was done. And that red lever is the landing gear control for that in the way the actual Mustangs were done. And of course, behind me, there goes the STOL Competition.
No catch power. It's flying, it's flying! Oh! Just, we're gonna get it 99 feet. Nice. We're at about 100. They're giving him a 107, it looks like. Contact sign 14. Let's get it up. Whoa. It's going to look a lot like drop tanks or bombs down there. All right, so he has a good one in the book, but did you notice that that airplane got airborne before the tail wheel hit the ground? Got it, but he's lifting off right at around 68, 66 feet. Woo! it's difficult to... Come on, Dan. Tell these special tools you make. Somebody get the tape measure out, and not a big one. The plane will fly long before the wheels get off the ground, and it's still flying while it travels almost 12 inches vertically and compresses. Come on, Levi, that's looking good, that's looking good. Pin it, nice! Get on it, get on it, get on it! Oh, yeah, baby! Woo! Going down, it's getting slow, oh, he's a little high. Cut the power, cut, oh, he's long. He's long, I'm sorry. That was pretty good, but that's a carbon cup because we expect that. Style of flying, but all the same fun competitive factors. Oh! And this airplane is not just for show. He has these same Chinook that he uses in his hunting business. I've seen pictures of him loaded with moose quarters, hauling them out. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Danny, are you ready for this? Come on, come on. Oh.
Well, that's another Sun and Fun 2024. I'm trying to hold the camera against the wind here. It is very windy. A lot going to be happening over there. So for SocialFlight, I'm Jeff Simon. Blue skies.